Leaked Surface Duo 2 photos reveal new triple camera system. I saw these photos. I found it kind of hard to believe because the Surface Duo was all about flipping around any way you wanted with the two-way hinge. But you see the camera module sticking out. Where does it go when you fold it flat?
It doesn't seem like you can, because there is going to be a camera hump.
So the hinge is going to have to stop at one point, or it's going to scratch the backside of the, or maybe it's just a prototype and they will figure out a way to do it. But it was a major point of criticism on that model, on the original Surface Duo, was the camera performance. I remember I talked to Panos about it. He said, well, the camera was a thing that we just had to compromise on for the design we wanted to go for. But the consequence was it sort of performed more like a front-facing camera. It had no bulge to it. It just wasn't on the level of a flagship smartphone. Now, this one, it looks a lot more like what we're used to. It looks like some Samsung Galaxy type cutout, like you would see on a Fold device or something like this. But the Surface Duo still looks to flip around. It still looks to have the two-way hinge unless it has some sort of stop point on it. Now, I don't know. I guess people will have to decide which is more useful. Those are leaked photos just in video format. I thought it was going to be a video of someone handling it.
Yeah, it doesn't seem like
who knows, man, if this is the eventual product. I think you do have to, when you're charging that kind of money, you do have to have good camera performance. So maybe it's a trade-off most people are willing to make at the expense of being able to fold it all the way around. But it already was a very wide device. So being able to fold it all the way around, if you did want to use it as a phone, like holding it up to your head, was kind of necessary. So this negates that a little bit. Anyway, I don't know. I don't know. I think you got to have the camera performance if that's what's necessary.
I agree.